Hello there guys, it's JK at Jordan Bikes and welcome to the video on this Triumph Street Triple 765R. So here it is, it's 2019 on a 19 plate with 1,572 miles. So super low mileage for its year. It's finished in this gorgeous satin metallic silver. Obviously you've got the red panelling, decals and stitching on the seat. Gorgeous bike though. You've got that Scorpion exhaust on this one. It also has that decat as well, so it sounds absolutely incredible. Rewind it a little bit, you get to hear that. It's got the quick shifter on there as well. It's got the Triumph frame protection, obviously colour TFT display. You've also got all your riding modes on there as well. Obviously super low mileage, lovely thing. If you are interested, get yourself down, give us a call and get it bought. Thank you very much for watching.
My name is Nick and thank you so much for watching the video this far in. The bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb. We are really fussy and it will come with a 3-month warranty. You can upgrade that to a 1-year or a 2-year warranty if you wish, and we offer finance and PCP subject to status. If you do want a more detailed walk around video looking at all the nooks and crannies, then give us a call and we can do that for you as well. Okay, thank you for watching. Give us a ring and buy it.